Hello there. Okay, so these panels came out really nicely. They're really quite sturdy. I've not seen anybody else do this technique. I have searched and searched on the internet. I can't find anybody on YouTube or anybody on the internet, on blogs or anything that give reference to the technique I'm using. So the marker paper is like a plasticky kind of coated paper. And as you saw, I drew the design on with Sharpie permanent marker, let it dry. Probably a couple of the pieces here have bled, so I think I probably let it dry for about 48 hours before I coated it. But they have come out really sturdy, and my plan is to make a lamp like this, and I will show you how I'm going to connect the pieces together, and I'm going to use UV resin for that. But these panels, yeah, I'm really happy. I didn't know whether they would be too thin and flexible, but they're actually really quite good. And then this is the base piece. So this is just a coaster mould, and hopefully I've done this to sort of pick out the purples. But that's pretty. I wanted it slightly translucent because I'm going to be putting candles through here, and if you were to put it on a glass table or something, then the light would shine underneath as well. So far so good. I'm really excited. I hope it works out okay. We'll get on with the next step and we'll see how it goes. Keep watching. Hello. Okay, so I've got the base, and what I want to do, these are just some little sticky dots. They're like for underneath bottom of coasters and things like that. Self-adhesive, and they're quite strong. So I'm just going to put one in each corner so that it doesn't scratch, because the corners of resin can be quite sharp, and I don't want it to scratch any surfaces. Okay, and you buy those on sheets, and I bought them in from Amazon. I bought them in a pack of about 10 sheets, I think. So there we go. Okay, so we've got the lamp is finished. It was a bit tricky to get all the way down the inside. It's fine when you do two sides, but when you put it all together, it's a bit tricky to get all the way down. But I have done it, and it's really quite secure. Okay, and then that fits on there like that. And then the candle goes inside. Like that. So I will take some sort of glows. I'll take some photos and I'll turn the lights off and stuff so that you can see properly. Yeah, but I'm really happy with how it came out. I love the Mackintosh design that I made up. I love Mackintosh, he's one of my favourite designers. But I love the way it came out. There's a couple of things I don't know, a couple of things I might try and change. I'm not 100% happy with the corners. They're not absolutely perfectly straight. This one's good, but then sort of this one's got a couple of little gaps in it. So, but it's the first time, and first time I've made one, and I can't believe it actually all worked. Yeah, I can't believe that it actually all came together, and the paper withheld, it didn't bleed through. I think because it's marker paper that it's quite tough and it's bleed proof, but I did think that the resin might ruin the paper. I was a bit worried, but it didn't. It held up, and it's really pretty, and I love it. So yeah, thank you ever so much for watching. I do really appreciate you. Please like and subscribe, and yeah, I'm going to do some more of these. I'm going to try some different techniques, perhaps some cricket cut designs, and we'll have a go at see what we can do with that. And then also I'd like to do some with some embellishments in there. Thank you for watching. Take care. See you soon. Bye bye.